Welcome, my name is Neil Gordon, and this is InSync SolarBlade. Today I will show you some results achieved in our InSync product labs. We are put to the test every day by architects to create today's most innovative engineered shading solutions for residential, commercial, and hospitality projects. Let's get started. The newest engineered shading solutions from InSync product labs is SolarBlade, a combination of our aluminum shutter and a solar shade. The upper louvers provide daylighting into the space, while the solar shade regulates heat reflection and glare control. The concept of SolarBlade is to harvest the natural daylight into the room. This then offsets the amount of electricity needed to properly light a space, which then reduces energy consumption. An ideal showcase for an engineered daylighting solution. Besides the energy savings of implementing an engineered daylighting solution, there are other benefits. Research shows that retail sales increase an average of 10 to 40% with the implementation of daylighting. That school grades increase from 6 to 20% when compared to non-daylit classrooms. And industrial savings include less absenteeism, higher productivity, and better safety records. This sustainable concept of harvesting natural daylight is a major goal for any LEED project. However, the USGBC has recognized the drawback of such harvesting. And here's what they say from their website. Glare control is perhaps the most common failure in daylighting strategies. Large windows provide generous amounts of daylight. And if not controlled properly, this daylight can produce unwanted glare and affect interior lighting quality. Measures to control glare include light shelves, louvers, blinds, and shades. Glare control is required for each window. SolarBlade has directly answered the requirements of daylighting by the USGBC. The upper louvers bounce the light deep into the room, while the lower shades with high-performance reflective shade cloth nearly eliminate the glare. The upper louvers are made of aluminum, and they come in either clear anodized or white, and the louver sizes are 3.5 inches wide. These manual louvers are controlled by a tilt rod at the inside edge of the shutter. As a shutter louver, there is an unobstructed view through the blades, unlike horizontal blinds with their sloppy-looking ladders and cords. These aluminum louvers bounce natural light deep into the space. The shade portion of SolarBlade is our DEKO cassette. The DEKO integrates beautifully into the aluminum frame of the shutter. There are two purposes of SolarBlade. One is to harvest the natural daylight, and two is to reduce the glare caused by the daylighting. To help understand the cause of glare, let's look at the 1:3:10 luminance ratio rule. The graphic on the upper left shows the light levels without sun protection. The closest object has a light level of 187. The secondary object has a light level of 1485, which is nearly 8 times more. And the furthest object is over 25 times more. This is not within the 1:3:10 rule. Now the graphic on the right with the sun protection easily falls within the 1:3:10 rule. Basically, the idea is to balance out the light levels, and this can be achieved by using darker color solar shade fabrics. We actually recommend our high-performance EcoScreen fabric that no matter what the fabric color is, it will reduce glare between 82 and 95% of the glare, as well as allowing only 45% of the heat gain. In addition to the motorization option of the solar shade, we can also offer SolarFlex. SolarFlex is a software that allows for great flexibility to adjust the shades with the tracking of the sun. It monitors solar position based on the sun angle and the season. And as the seasons change, the SolarFlex software adjusts the position. SolarBlade is custom made to your exact dimensions. It's as attractive as it is functional. It is the ideal engineered daylighting solution. Beyond today's presentation, we have many videos on a range of topics. Thank you for watching InSync SolarBlade from InSync Solar, your choice for engineered shading solutions.